Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Today, I'm gonna speak in my dialect a little bit so that you guys can get to know where I am from, okay? So, umunnem tata. So ọ bụ na unu too n'ala Igbo, onye ọbụla too n'ala Igbo as of 80, 70, 60, 70, 80s, you know, mụnwa too n'ala Igbo, yotago. So ofe a ka a na-akpọ ofe ogwugwe, ndị be anyị na-akpọ ya Gbanchichi. So if you know which one your people used to call it then in Africa, please, you could kindly leave it in the comment section below. So guys, so I will speak some in Igbo and I will speak in English. Okay, so this soup is not a poor man food though. This is not a poor man food. People that are eating it then will know that it's an emergency soup. All those senators or governors and all these prominent men that are rich today passed through this stage, guys. Anybody that know then in 1970s, 60s, I was born 1970s, I won't tell you people the year. So these are the emergency soup my grandma used to prepare those days when I was growing up. It was a wonderful experience, and I said this could be a good platform to bring you all this archaic Igbotic traditional meal. You will be surprised. It's just a crayfish here, a lot of crayfish. Me, I'm just putting dry fish. It was just crayfish and this spice that we are using to prepare this soup in those days. So I'm gonna use dry fish, you know, things have changed in life, you know, water. And I'm going to put small ole. I use this yam to make ole. It's a thickener. I'm just gonna boil it small. It's not going to be much. This is exactly how the yam is. So if you guys know what yam is, it looks like this. So etinye ogiri. I will put locust beans. Mmeji ose okpo osa amere osa afọ n'ọkụ, ose okpo kwa ya akwọ, onye maka m ga-eji dry pepper being roasted. Okay, mmeji nnu wee mee ya. I will use salt. Mmeji utazi anụ m ga-atinye ya nwebere, and m ga-ejikwa mmiri ọkụ. I will use hot water to do this, and I will use my mortar to be blending all these things together. So you guys, please enjoy this video. You guys that have grown and have made it in life, you know where I am heading with this my recipe. So I thought as much to share it in this my channel, guys. At least if it's not for anything, for my children, when they grow up, they will go, those soup that my grandma used to give us that day. This soup was not prepared by my mother directly. It was my grandmother. Then when we have come back from playing in the egwonwa, I don't know how to say it in English. When we have come back after playing egwonwa, or when you have go to school, those people that went to school in the village. I went to school just a little bit time, not too much, in the village. So when you come back, you're hungry. You just drop your bag, you rush to the kitchen, and you could not see anything. And only you and your grandma is around in the kitchen, around in the house. Grandma will say, put your crayfish in the mortar. This is what they call mortar. You pound it. Me, I didn't see my stick. So I'm going to use this one to blend it. It's gonna serve the same. So when I want to blend it, I'm gonna show it to you people. So everybody passed this stage. So this is I won't say much. Let us continue so the video won't be long, okay? So guys, you know those days you could use a blender, but in those days nobody have a blender. I don't know if blender will work with this soup, or if it's getting hard I have to turn into my blender to just give it a chop. But it's working very fine, as you can see. I didn't see the head of my mortar, so I'm using this one to serve. I've removed all the dirties in it, so you know I'll have to be removing all this thing that look like fish but it's not fish. So this one, enjoy with me, oh guys. It's not that I don't have any other thing to prepare, and I don't have any content to make in my channel, but this keep on coming to my mind. I said this is a right time to remind you of where the Igbos we are coming from. I don't know if it's only the Igbos are doing this traditional ofe ogugwe. I don't know, because I growing in Igbo land. I am originally from Imo State. Okay, I'm from Awi Demiri. So this is one of the soup we are eating those days in grandma's house. So I will call it poor man food, and I will not eat it. But guys, believe me, this soup, if I remember it, how it tastes, you could put Maggi anyway. It's like I'm gonna put Maggi, put more Maggi to make it more sweet, make it more nice, pepper, and you'll be eating it. It will be hurting your tongue. I won't forget this, guys. Governors, presidents who have come from Igbo land, they know this my Torio, where we have grown from. It's coming up well. Can you see? It's coming up good. So this mortar, I got it from a bakery shop, because me also, I'm a cake baker. I make cake and also a lot of things, you know. So I got it from a shop in Greece here. I live in Greece actually. So in case you have a bakery shop where they sell, you could get your mortar from there. It's portable, and the stick is portable too. It's not so long like it, but I couldn't find it. You know, where you have children, a lot of things to miss. So after I have blend this, I will add my pepper. I will add my so guys, I'm very sorry that I have to prepare my yam to boil it and make it get it ready. So I will continue. I have already removed the skin of the dry fish, and I don't want to throw it. I wash them and add it to my crayfish. So I will add my yam. I think is the first thing. No, it's not the first thing. My first thing is my pepper. I will add my pepper. This is my pepper here. This is very hot. So I'll add my otazi. Little. I won't put all. I don't know if you put otazi in your own. I don't know why my grandmother used to put otazi. I don't know if it's because of our stomach. I'll put my locust beans, which is ogiri, and I will put my salt. I don't want to put too much of this salt. I will put my Maggi. It's like I'll put one Maggi. I don't want to put the whole of it. I will put half of it, just to taste a little bit nice. Then it was nice, it was tasting great. I love it. So I'm just doing it in a little bit visual way, But guys, believe me, this soup is wonderful. Shout out to the old people. Well, shout out to all my old subscribers. And what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this Best Blessed Kitchen, so you can get to see a lot of the archaic way, not only the archaic ways, even Greek traditional food. I will be uploading it soon in my channel. So if you have not subscribed, please do that now, my beautiful ones, and get to learn more about my kitchen, guys. I'm really happy for you guys. You guys are amazing. Like, if I remember that my subscribers are going up, I'll be smiling in my dream. You can't believe how amazing you guys are to me. So now I have found all of them together. It's very nice. Now I'll add the yam. Let me put the stick down of this sliced yam. I don't want, normally in those days we don't put yam, we don't put any thickener, but because you can be able to get yam now, there is nothing bad in adding any thickener. You can add cocoyam, you can add plantain, you can add this yam itself. Okay, so I'm going to add hot water. Okay, I've added my boiled water. This thing wasn't recording. The water is already boiled, very well, very hot. So I'll add my fish. As you can see, my fish now. I'll add my fish. I don't think I get the record when I said I added 2 of this to make it thick. Okay, so this is what I got. My God, this is how it is. Okay guys, you see, this is the soup. I will serve it to you now so you guys can enjoy. So guys, I will use pounded yam to eat this my ofe ogugwe Gbanchichi. I don't know, but this tastes very good. Like, it's superb. So I will pound my yam now. With the same thing, so you guys can see how it came out. Okay, amazing. Wow, please leave your comments below. Okay, amazing. Share the video if you like it to your grandchildren, at least, to see how we used to eat in the old 70s and 60s. I don't know about 50s, I know about 60s and 70s, 70s and 80s. Yes, this is how we eat those days. If you come back from school and you don't have the urgent thing to eat, your grandma or your mom will prepare this delicacy for you. Thank you very much for passing by on my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comments below, guys. Share it with your grandchildren, okay, so that they can see how we used to eat in those days. Okay, thank you for passing by my channel, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.